The starter motor refers to a motor that is installed on the engine through an electric drive and is used to start a diesel or gasoline engine. Start the motor, reduce the trouble of manpower starting the engine. Start quickly, can be reused, and widely used. It is often used to start the engine. The starter motor converts the electric energy of the storage battery into mechanical energy and drives the flywheel on the engine to rotate to realize the start of the engine. The structure of the starting motor are comprised of DC motor, transmission mechanism, and electromagnetic switch.